Hello everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for June 16th. Well, as expected, the Swiss National Bank kept its interest rates unchanged. SNB President Jordan reaffirmed that the country's monetary policy is still based on negative interest rates and intervening in the FX market. He still believes the Swiss franc is significantly overvalued, which I think most people who've ever been to Switzerland would agree with him there. The OECD ranks the Swiss franc as the most overvalued major currency in the world. Jordan also issued a warning to those traders who might be tempted to buy the Swiss franc as a safe haven currency in case Britain decides to leave the EU. He said the SNB, quote, "will be monitoring the situation closely and will take measures if required," unquote. We're still waiting for the results of the Bank of England monetary policy meeting. Although there's really no expectations of a change in policy, the key thing there will be to see how much the committee members think the slowdown is caused by Brexit fears and how much by more fundamental malaise in the economy. The market has recently been pushing out the date when they expect the bank to start raising interest rates. And in fact, the odds of a cut in rates rather than a hike have been increasing recently. That's likely to weigh on sterling no matter what the referendum decides next week. In the U.S., the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index for June comes out. The Empire State Manufacturing Index beat estimates handily and moved into positive territory. That may raise expectations for the Philly Fed Index as well. The U.S. CPI comes out a day too late to influence the FOMC meeting. In any event, it's not expected to show any big change in the inflation trend. More worrisome for the Fed is the fact that inflation expectations are falling even while oil prices are climbing. The CPI could be neutral for the dollar if it comes out in line with expectations. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.